Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we study about plant world, the types of plant. In this lesson you will learn about types of plant, parts of a plant and growth of a plant. And the new word shrub, herb, climber, creeper, seed, branch, stem, leaf, root, woody. Now we concentrate about types of plant and parts of a plant and growth of a plant. Types of plant. He, that is Allah, is the one who created gardens having trees or vines that support those that are having trees that can stand by themselves. Surah An'am chapter 6 ayat number 141. Allah the Creator has created plants. There are many plants around us. Most plants are green in color. They are of different types, different shapes and sizes. Allah created all types of plants, big and small, tall and short, huge and bushy, weak and strong. So, big and tall plants are called trees. Big and tall plants are called trees. They have hard, strong and woody stem. Their stem is called trunk. Some trees have thick branches. Shrub. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have hard woody stem. They have many branches. These branches grow closer to the ground. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They have soft and weak stems. Herbs are seasonal plants. We have learned here trees. Trees are big and tall plants. They have hard, strong and woody stem. Their stem is called trunk. Some trees have thick branches. And these are examples: banyan tree, neem tree, oak tree, pine tree. They are big and tall plants. They have hard and woody stem, and their stem is called a trunk. Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have hard woody stem. They have many branches. These branches grow closer to the ground. Shrubs are smaller trees. Example: bougainvillea, mehendi, hibiscus, cotton. All these are known as shrubs. They are examples of shrubs, and they are smaller than big trees. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They have soft and weak stems. Herbs are seasonal plants. Herbs are very small plants. That means they are smaller than tall and big trees, and they are smaller than shrubs. Herbs are very small plants. They have soft and weak stems. Their trunk is very soft. That is, their stem is very soft. Example: basil or tulsi, then mint, then coriander. And they are seasonal plants. That is, they don't grow every day. They come only according to season. Then here are climber. Some plants have thin and weak stems. They need support of other plants or sticks to grow. Such plants are called climber. Some plants have thick and weak stems. They need support and they grow taking the support of other plant or stick. That is why they are known as climber. Examples of climber: pea plant, money plant, grapevine, creeper. Some plants have weak stems and they grow along the ground. They are called creeper. Some plants have weak stems and they grow along the ground. That is, they are not big tree, they are not small tree, they are not herb, they are not even climbers. They grow on the ground. Example: watermelon, pumpkin. Here we learn about parts of a plant. A plant has many parts like root, stem, branches, leaves, bud, flower and fruit. Now first one is flower, second one is leaf, third one is bud, fourth one is fruit, fifth one branch, sixth one stem, seventh one root. So, flower, leaf, bud, fruit, branch, stem, root. Parts of a plant. Root. It is a part of a plant that grows under the ground. Stem. It is a part of a plant that grows above the ground. Leaf. It is a flat green part of a plant that makes food for the plant. It is called the kitchen of the plant. Flower. It is the most beautiful and colorful part of a plant. Fruit. It is a fleshy part of a plant that grows from flower. Seed. It is the part of a plant from which a baby plant grows. Plants need air, water, sunlight and other important materials to grow. Plants provide us with food, shade and shelter. They make the air clean and fresh for us to breathe. We have learned that plants are of different types depending on their shape and size. Big and tall plants are called trees. Example: banyan, neem, mango. Shrub are small plants with hard and woody stem. Example: bougainvillea, cotton plant, hibiscus. Small plants with soft stem are called herbs. Example: mint, basil or tulsi, coriander. Climbers are plants that need support to grow. Example: grapevine, money plant. Creeper are plants that grow along the ground. Example: watermelon, pumpkin. So we learned that Trees are big plants. Trees are big and tall plants. They have hard, strong and woody stem. Their stem is called trunk. Example: banyan, neem, oak, pine. Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have hard woody stem. Example: bougainvillea, mehendi, hibiscus, cotton. Herbs are very small plants. They have soft and weak stem. Example: basil or tulsi, mint, coriander. Climbers have thin and weak stem. They need support of other plants or sticks to grow. Example: pea plant, money plant, grapevine. Creeper. Creeper have weak stem and they grow along the ground. Example: watermelon, pumpkin. Here parts of plant. First one is flower, second one is leaf, third one is bud, fourth one is fruit, fifth one is branch, sixth one is stem, seventh one is root. So this is root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, seeds. So we understand that plants need air, water, sunlight and other important materials to grow. Plants provide us with food, shade and shelter. They make the air clean and fresh for us to breathe. So what have we learned now? Plants are of different types depending on their shapes and sizes. Big and tall plants are called trees. Shrubs are small plants with hard and woody stem. Small plants with soft stem are called herbs. Climbers are plants that need support to grow. Creepers are plants that grow along the ground. Thank you.